Hi, welcome back to MHA Insights. In today's video, we are going to understand the difference between incidence and prevalence, two very important concepts in epidemiology. Let's understand the difference point by point. First is meaning. Incidence measures the new cases of a disease occurring in a population during a specified period of time. On the other hand, prevalence measures all existing cases of a disease in a population. Keyword. The keyword for incidence is new cases and the keyword for prevalence is all existing cases. Third one is what does it include? Incidence includes new cases only, whereas prevalence includes both old and new cases that are present in the population. So the incidence focuses on cases that are newly developing while prevalence focuses on all the cases that currently exist. Fourth is what does it measure? Incidence measures the occurrence or risk of developing a disease. It helps us understand how frequently new cases are occurring in a population. Whereas prevalence measures the burden of a disease in a population. Therefore, prevalence is particularly useful for understanding how much of a disease is present in a community. Fifth is time. Time in incidence always consider a specified period of time, such as 1 month, 1 year or 5 years. Prevalence can be measured at a particular point in time known as point prevalence or over a period of time known as period prevalence. Now let's look at the basic formulas. For incidence, new cases divided by population at risk multiplied by 10 to the power n. For prevalence, existing cases divided by total population multiplied by 10 to the power n. Seventh is population denominator. Incidence generally uses the population at risk because we are interested in people who can develop the disease. Prevalence usually uses the total population because we are measuring the overall burden of existing disease in that population. Example, let's take an example for incidence. Suppose 10 students develop influenza during a period of 3 months. These are new cases occurring during a specified period. So this represents incidence. Now suppose 500 people are living with diabetes on a particular day. Here we are counting the people who already have a disease at that point in time. That represents prevalence. Ninth is useful for. The incidence is useful for studying risk and causes of disease, and in prevalence we understand the disease burden and planning healthcare services. 10th is easy way to remember. In incidence we remember how many new people became sick, and in prevalence how many people have the disease. For more simple, clear and exam-oriented concepts in hospital administration and public health, keep watching MHA Insights. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye!